It's so great to be at the Chinese Theater seeing a movie on the big screen, and we wanted to make this experience. Kurt Warner's story is larger than life, and I think it deserves to be seen on the big screen. I mean, the whole goal of making the film was people to say, if he can accomplish his dreams, we can accomplish ours, and if they can do it, we can do it. And so for families all over America to be inspired at a time when we need it is really cool, and it's a story that when you watch, you instantly think, my dreams are possible too. The moments that I love the most are the moments between he and Anna, he and Hayden, who plays Zach, Anna's son, and these really beautiful, heartfelt family moments. It is a movie about family and the power of a family winning together. I hope they're inspired. I hope they laugh. I hope they cry. I hope they cheer. And then I hope they start talking about, what are your impossible dreams? I mean, I think the idea of so many of us live under sort of a belief that what we really aspire to do is not possible. And here's a guy that just never gave up on his dream. The idea that we're here, that we're at the Chinese Theater, and that we're directing this movie is we're underdogs. I mean, I think so many of us in America feel like underdogs, And I love the line in the movie that Dennis Quaid says, "Destiny belongs to underdogs."